Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Vanguard Cash Plus and if it can be used as your primary cash management account. Vanguard Cash Plus is a cash management account, a product offered by a brokerage firm that functions similarly to a savings account. It offers a competitive yield and can be used for things like direct deposit and paying bills. However, there are important differences from a traditional primary checking account. Vanguard Cash Plus does not offer a debit card, ATM access, or check writing. This means you can't withdraw cash or make in-person purchases directly from the account. While you can use the routing and account numbers for electronic payments, some third-party institutions may not accept them. The account is best for holding short-term savings, an emergency fund, or as a place to park cash before investing it. It's designed to complement a checking account, not replace it entirely. Many people who use it still maintain a separate checking account for everyday spending, cash withdrawals, and peer-to-peer payments. In short, while Vanguard Cash Plus offers a great yield and useful features, its lack of a debit card and check writing functionality means it cannot fully function as a primary, all-in-one cash management account for most people. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.